Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send the feedback in the Brilliant application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will find the more option. Press on it. And here you can see the support section on the page and you should select the third option there, which is bug report and feedback. And here you can just select the topic. In this case it is set to bug report, but you can also choose it, for example, to have improvement suggestion. In that case it's kind of like a feedback, so you can just describe here what the improvement suggestion may be about, and you can select also inspect here, and you can select basically one of these two, like 99 activity history logs or metadata and info, and here you can further select one basically, but this is optional, you don't need to do it necessarily. And after everything is done, you can just press submit down below and your feedback will be sent. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.